guys, welcome to Outre's Try On Wigs with me, and it's me, your girl at _CrownedK, and today we'll be trying on these beautiful wigs. To get started, guys, I'm putting on my wig cap. Check once my wig cap is on, we're gonna go straight into trying on these wigs. And the wig that I will be featuring today is Outre's Lacefront Atlanta wig, and I have this wig in 4 colors, guys. This wig is pre-plucked, it has lace parting, and it has natural baby hairs. This hair is safe, heat resistant fiber, and it's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And guys, this wig come in an array of colors. The first color that I'll be trying on for you is the color 1B, and this is what it looks like. Like, the parting space is just beautiful. Like, you get a lot of parting, and that's how it comes. It has 2 combs at the top, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. This wig has breathable mesh. Yes, so it's really good. It has breathable mesh. So I'm just putting the wig on, and I'm going to cut the excess lace off as soon as I get this wig situated. And all I did was put my wig cap on and add a little bit of powder to my wig cap, and then I cut the excess lace off. And I use some got2b gel just to like make the baby hairs. You have to trim the baby hairs to how you want them, because they do come a little bit long, so you can cut them and style them to how you want. And I added some concealer on the part, and this is what this wig is looking like. It's beautiful. Like, I love the curls that's going on. Like, I don't even think these are curls, these are more like waves, I don't know, but whatever it is, I'm loving it. This hair is full, the parting is on point, and it's just a really gorgeous unit. And we're moving on to the second color, guys, and this wow, I wasn't very smooth with that, but this color is DR2 Chocolate Swirl, and this is like a brown color, and it has it has different hints of brown in it, and that's what it looks like, what the wig looks like on my head. And I think it's pretty beautiful. I love this color. I feel like this color would be amazing for fall. Y'all know fall is coming up. Like, this wig is such a good unit. I love how full it is. Like, look at the back, it's so full. The color is distributed like really nicely. The highlights and everything is just amazing, and the unit is very beautiful. And we're moving on to this other color, and this is DR4 27613, and this is what this looks like. Like, if you want something more like out of the box, you want something more vibrant, you want to go blonde, like really blonde, then this unit is for you. This color, like, what I like the most about these units is that there is a color for everybody. And what I love is that it's not that long, but it's a great length, because it hits right at my shoulders and right below my shoulders a little bit. It's a really great length. It's really full, and you can literally just pop it out the box, put it on your head, make your baby hairs, and go if you feel like, because it does come with baby hairs. And I love it, and I was really feeling myself in this unit. Like, it's a really good unit. The hair is not tangly. It is curly hair, so you might have a few bits of hair like shedding once you like comb it out, but besides that, the hair is just amazing. And guys, this is the last color. This is DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey, and let me tell you, I love this color. This is my favorite color. Like, let me know, like, down below, like, what color did you like, guys? Be sure to like give this video a thumbs up, be sure to comment, and let me know what color was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this episode of Try On Wigs with me. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe to Outre's channel. Be sure to do it. Bye, guys.